Holyspirit. God got my tongue. You know I'm still going to the dove and back and down. I'm out here. Let them speak. I'm rolling in vain, I'm dodging hatred insane. You said I know that I can't, I'm in a church that's daily. And I'm riding with my angels, you know the Bible that made it. Through the scriptures and first, you know the furnace ain't daily. I've been riding through this war, you know I ain't never backing down. I keep a crown overbound, and you know I'm up to see. I ain't trying to be the king, so you know I come in peace. And it's too much on my head, so I'm down these demons through these streets. I knock down and fought the demons all on me. You said you got it on my side, nigga, go through the sea. I came over with some men of preachers, man, they all love me. So everybody came to church, you better know that I see. I walked through there with all my pain, with all the hurt in my chest. Off the river, talking heavy like they talking no less. Broken down for any love, man. It's people say I got it in, ducking not a fan of too much young and not the greatest. I got too much on me and I'm heated. 40 like the future, nigga, talking, nigga, seated. Fighting through this battle, nigga, shoot, I'm undefeated. Selling what I did, you see the champion dog, cup in the reach it. I got the Greek knowledge, no legend in the pilot. People talking solid, talking young and not the father. Devil always mad, to the youngins, not as sad. And I got too much on my mind, ain't no stressing, I be mad. Wait, speeding like we flits, speeding through pursuit. All my wars, what we doing? Riding in pursuit. Keeping red, we talking heavy, backing down and loose. Coming up throughout the music industry, you knew. Every rapping on the same, Christian rapping in the main. Every travel, every prophet, every scene, another Santa. Talk the rebel, talking out the great. People say they got it in and back and down, we breaking breaks. I'm breaking breaks, saying I'm fighting through this madness. 40 in my mind, it's talking heavy, not the standards. People say they coming and you know we up to scandals. And my name going around till it's 7 out the man and like me. Standing with Jesus, standing with God. Standing with Lord, I'm standing with all out in large. You know that mean love, stop the rebel with the stars. Sign it out, backwards and forward, you find the truth. Too much in my mind, talking heavy with the protectors do. Word of angel, dog, angel, heaven, Lord, I'm on the loose. Thank God he spared me, cause I wouldn't be here today if it weren't for all them demons, so much coming down my way. I ain't know who I was fighting, I was too much on the way. I was blind out to see it, to God really showed me, and you understand, baby, tell them truth, I'm all the way. Said the young and talking front, it's still in place, it's still going. Ain't backing down, baby, super it up, speed it. If I said they got it, I got too much over in this audition, out of the least, and he said that I got it for that in the rest of the genders, and that's up in the trees. He ruled off on the route in the region, said they got it for out of the features. Everybody talking, you got it for top. Everybody talking, they got it low. Keep your faith and keep your hope. Don't back down or to the bro. I got too much on the mat. Love your brother, sister, oh. Any babies, no role model coming up and through the coast. Too much on me that you better tell I'm still going. Too much on me that you better tell I'm still going. Riding dog with the truth is still flowing.